In today's video, I will walk you through how to add product adjustments in Xero inventory. Start by going to the Sales section from the top bar of your Xero dashboard. Click on Sales to open the menu, then select Products and Services. Once you're in the Products and Services section, look toward the top right corner of the screen and select New Adjustment. This will open the adjustment screen, where you can enter the details for the inventory adjustment. Begin by selecting the particular item you need to adjust. Use the available drop-down options to choose the correct product. After selecting the item, enter the counted quantity. This is the actual quantity of the product you have on hand after completing a physical count. Once you enter the counted quantity, Xero will automatically calculate the difference. The difference shows how much your inventory value is increasing or decreasing based on the counted quantity compared with the quantity previously recorded. After entering all the required information, look toward the top right corner of the screen and select Review Adjustment. This gives you an opportunity to check the adjustment details before submitting it. Review the information you've entered and make sure the selected product and counted quantity are correct. Once you've reviewed the adjustment and everything is correct, click Submit. The adjustment will then be submitted, and you've successfully entered the product adjustment in Xero inventory. That completes the process for adding a product adjustment in Xero inventory. The adjustment has now been submitted using the product and counted quantity you entered. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.